A new special event that has recently started on Rollercoin called CryptoGroove is now in full swing. This is a nice limited time event that you can earn really powerful miners and even crypto from. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so a new event that has recently started on Rollercoin called CryptoGroove is now in full swing. It has been running for a few days already, so let's dive right into it. On my screen you can see the blog and the announcement made on the 3rd of November by the Rollercoin team. CryptoGroove, okay, so feeling lucky enough today, rollers. Will you become the true roller legend who has forever engraved their name in the history of Rollercoin? There's 1 week, 2 cases and 4 legendary rewards waiting to become yours. So, shall we begin? So I'm going to leave a link as well down below this video to this blog so that you can read it at your leisure, but I'm just going to go through some of the details here now as well. So, having 1 legendary miner is a dream come true, but what if we told you there's not 1 but 2 legendary miners up for grabs? So there is the AMPFY miner with a whopping 10 petahash, 9.999 petahash, let's just call it 10 petahash, and there's also a don't stop miner at 600 terahash per second. So meet the groove case, which comes in 3 different options. There's a small, medium and large groove cases, all ranging from 1 RLT up to 15 RLT, depending which loot box you decide to open, okay? So all 3 cases will contain the same legendary rewards, but the larger cases come with bigger RLT rewards and better chances of hitting legendary rewards. So you can see a little bit of a chart here for the large groove case. You can win those great miners, those really powerful miners, and you can win all these RLT rewards that you can see here as well. And then if you obviously select the smaller or medium cases, the RLT will vary accordingly, and I'll be showing you that in the game as well. Be first to win and get an additional reward as well. The first 3 players who win AMPFY will also get an 820 terahash per second Ethereum miner. Worth trying, isn't it? Get 1 ETH and 1 RLT. Easy. So these are different cases. So there are the groove cases and then there are these crypto cases which work in the same way, but the top tier prizes instead of miners will be either 1 ETH or 1 BNB. So again, small to large, same concept, same prices as the groove cases, but all 3 cases contain the same legendary rewards, but what sets them apart are the rewards of lower tiers. Epic, rare and common. The larger the case is, the higher RLT rewards and the closer you get to that legendary win. Okay, so here are the crypto case examples here where you can get those top tier prizes. If you get the gold, for the purple you'll get either 24 RLT or 120, and then for the others it will vary accordingly. Okay, share your openings and win a prize. There are even more rewards coming your way. Record your case opening throughout the 3rd to the 10th of November. So as you can see, this event has already started, has been on for around 3 days now. And no matter which reward you win, share that on Twitter/X with the hashtag CryptoGroove and tag rollercoin_com. And 1 luckiest winner will get an AMPFY miner. Even if you didn't win it, you might still actually get that if you share your openings on X, okay? So 20 random players will also get 50 RLT each. So maybe you'll get the miner and you'll be drawn at random and get the 50 RLT as well. Who knows? So let's jump into the game and I'm going to go straight to the loot box section. And here you can see the different groove cases currently in the game for 1 week. Okay, a few days have passed already, so this is basically on until this coming Friday, and you can see the range of crypto cases here as well. So small groove case, if you do more details, you can see that you've got the top tier miners here that you can achieve even by spending just 1 RLT, okay? But the rewards will vary accordingly. Okay, so here you've got these 9 RLT, 3, and all the smaller ones. Okay, so worst case scenario, you'll get 0.2 back out of the one you spend. But for the medium one, for example, worst case scenario, you get 1 back from the 5 you spend. Okay, and the rewards are higher, and the top tier rewards are still the same as the smaller case. The larger one, same thing. So the top tier rewards are the same, but you get a chance of winning even more RLT with these cases. It is the same concept for the crypto cases, but the difference is that the top tier rewards are either 1 ETH or 1 BNB. Okay, and you've got the different RLTs accordingly as well. If we go to the large one, it's going to be pretty much the same as the large Groove case, but the top tier rewards are crypto cases. Okay, so I'm just going to try the 15 RLT one here. I'm just going to say buy box, see what's going to happen. Fingers crossed. Oh, I got 9 RLT back from 15 RLT spent, so pretty much I lost 6 RLT. As you can notice, I am also doing this during a progression event, so I'm earning maximum points as well there for opening these loot boxes. So at the moment there is the Cake is a Lie progression event, like I mentioned in the previous video, so I'm getting those rewards even faster because I'm spending 1 RLT except in the marketplace. So I'm getting 1,000 points, so 15,000 points effectively right there for trying to open that case. I'm going to try the large Groove case, okay? Maybe I'll get some more luck here, okay? Let's see. And it's still 15, so I haven't lost anything there, okay? 15, I spent 15, I got back 15. So it was worth a try, but I did actually get points, and I got even closer to getting the next level in the Cake is a Lie progression event as well. So important to try these out when progression events are on. Even if you have a multiplier, that would give you even more points. So save these things for when you have progression events and things like multipliers if you're aiming to have a multiplier on the progression event as well. Okay, so those are pretty much what you can do with these cases, and that is all I wanted to discuss with you today. So there is 1 week for you to be able to get these. Okay, now I did take a screenshot as well where in a previous attempt when I opened a large Groove case, I actually did make a profit. So I'm going to show you that screenshot right now. And here it is. Here's my screenshot of when I opened the case, the large Groove case. I spent 15 and I actually managed to get 25 RLT. So I got pretty much 10 RLT profit right there. So you can have a bit of luck if you really try, but obviously you have to see how much RLT you're spending. I've currently got 161, so it's going to even out sometimes. Sometimes you'll just get a streak of bad luck. What I wouldn't do is I wouldn't spam play these boxes. Just give it a chance if you're getting like a streak of bad luck and try a bit later on. I don't know if there's something in the algorithm, but I've found that when I actually keep on trying one after the other, the bad luck just continues to kind of remain. If I have good luck and I keep trying, normally the good luck doesn't last very long either. So I just like to space them out a bit and just do one, give it some time, maybe play a few games and then do another. And I found that somehow that seems to work pretty well for me. I'm not always going to get the best luck in the world, but it seems to be like it's at random. But I don't know if there's something in the algorithm or whatever that if you keep on trying one after the other, the chances are you might even get even more bad luck. There's nothing proven here, so it's just my thoughts and my experiences. Anyway, I just wanted to share this special event that Rollercoin have released, and this is for a limited time, 1 week only. It's up until Friday, the 10th of November. So get cracking those loot boxes, and I wish you the best of luck. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.